Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So excuse the noise outside. We are just kind of airing out the house and getting some fresh air in here, and there is construction going on right here in my backyard, basically right behind my backyard. So that's what you're hearing. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a really great day, and we're gonna go ahead and get some cleaning motivation in. Because my house is a mess, and I have some Xfinity guys coming over for an appointment this afternoon because my internet hasn't been working. And here in Cali we are distance learning, so my son needs the internet to be working, and he's been getting kicked out of his Zoom classes, which is really annoying. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up so they don't think I'm a song, because sometimes I am and most times I'm not. So if you need some cleaning motivation, let's go. So y'all know you gotta declutter all the stuff in your area that you're cleaning before you can actually clean it up. So I always go one counter or table at a time and clear everything that's on there, and then move on to the next area. I picked up some paint from Sherwin-Williams, and I'm going to be picking up some more and doing some projects around the house, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe if you're not, so you can see all those transformations. As y'all can see, my son is in the backyard cleaning that pool. That is our weekend to do. I'm inside cleaning and he is outside taking care of that. And that happens every weekend. We pitch in. I always have to scrub my sink down before I'm able to use the clean dishes, because otherwise I feel like I'm cleaning dishes in a dirty sink. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you do that as well? Do you clean your sink before and after, or just after you wash your dishes? I've decided that I'm primarily going to only use my dishwasher on the weekends, just because we're like in and out and just getting a lot of stuff done. But I have a lot of things that are not dishwasher safe that I'm actually contemplating starting to declutter, because on the weekends it's so much easier to just throw everything in the dishwasher, and if it's not dishwasher safe, then I have to do the 2 steps, which I'm not opposed to, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So this is my first time using the Dawn Power Wash, and
Initially, I was like, oh, let me just get a paper towel and kind of wipe it down. As you can see, my stove was disgusting. My son had done a lot of cooking, and then we had used the griddle from Costco and put some chicken on it, and it kind of splattered everywhere. And so I just decided, that's not going to work for me. So I went ahead and grabbed a cloth and scrubbed it down, and it worked like a charm. Y'all will see, it gets it so clean and degreased. And now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the stove grates. I really wish I had a single basin because I can't really get these into the sink, so I gotta flip them over and do all kinds of craziness. So one day I will have that single basin, and I'll be able to throw them in the sink with a dishwasher tab and let them soak. But until then, we'll just keep doing it that way, using my spray away to clean off my table, and it works like a dream. Alright, moving on to my living room. It was not bad. I just needed to tidy it up, put the pillows back where they go after we kind of lay on the couch and lounge, and of course vacuum this floor because that is my favorite part of cleaning, is the vacuuming. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some cleaning motivation. Maybe even you got up and cleaned with me. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. I want you guys to stay blessed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.